again, and my indexing start from the 1. That is really important. Firstly, you have to focus on that. I started my first condition on the 0 and second for 1, because there is find my first is 10 and here I find the 9. Yes, am I right? And I compared the same thing in again, because my index is starting from the 1 and length is minus. So my condition that and max, I have compared the second largest number, this. If this will not work, so this. So I find that. And two numbers of sum, like it is very important. I also solve the lead code problem, and that is one of the best problem. And I have a logic to solve that problem. It is like very easy, because I think it is very beginning easy level question, so I solved it. So like I made the array and my target element is 6, like two indexes element that when we are taking sum, so my target is equal to that. So I traverse the element, and for ij I apply the row also, and my index I plus 1, because in the index from the 0 and here is index from the 1. So is an array the length, then I and j is equal to I and j, like 1 and 2 is equal to 6. It is not. And 1 and 3 it is not. 1 and 4 is not. 1 and 5 is true. So there is that. Here is that the answer also, like 0 and 4 index we find the target element when the condition is true, and 1 and 3 index values find the target element. So move on to the end Python code optimal. Like in the array, all zeros in go the like send the forward, like end of the array. So I make the count array and I take a variable count also, and fire traverse the array. And if array is not equal to 0, so then count, then array index को count equal to array, all index coming from this count variable. And we like how many times my this condition is running, because in the non-zero element 1 2 3, like 3 element is non-zero, so count is going like count variable stored the 3 value. Then my count I stored 3, then length is equal